everyone to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be telling you how to insert shapes in PowerPoint. So let's get started. So first, let's just go to a blank layout. So layout, blank, and then we can go to insert shapes. And then you can pick any shape that you like. For example, this oval tool. So here you can insert an oval or a circle. So let's just insert a circle, and you've inserted your first shape in PowerPoint. So you can see here, these are the dimensions of the circle. So here you can see that this is not a perfect circle. So if you want a perfect circle, you want the width and the height to be the same, and these are not same. So here, while you can just type in like 16.37, and then it's perfect now. But how to insert a perfect circle from the start? So let me just delete it first. Let's just go back to insert shapes, and now while inserting here, you can see it's just giving me different variations. So but when you click on shift, now it will give you only a perfect circle. So if I remove my finger from shift, you can see I can make an oval or a circle like this. But when I'll click on shift, it will only give me a perfect shape. So let's just insert a perfect circle. And here you can see it's a perfect 15 by 15 circle. So this was all for this lesson. In the next lesson, I'll be telling you about shape fill in PowerPoint. So I'll meet you there.